Well, hello again, friends. Today I gotta explain anonymous classes in Java. So what is an anonymous class? It's a class that doesn't have a name, meaning it cannot be reused. It's when you want to add custom behavior without having to create a new class, because it can be really inconvenient to create a new class just for one object, if that one object is different from the rest, in one way or another. They're often used for one-time uses, when utilizing features such as TimerTask, the Runnable interface, or callbacks. These are more advanced Java topics. So let me demonstrate why an anonymous class would be useful. Let's begin with this example, where we create a dog class. File, new, Java class. We will create a class of dog. Let's say that in this dog class, there's a single method, a speak method. Void speak. All we'll do is output the following. The dog goes woof. And then let's create a dog object. Dog equals new dog. We'll take our dog object, have it use its speak method, which will output the dog goes woof. So what if there's a unique kind of dog? It's different from the rest. Let's say it's Scooby Doo. Now Scooby Doo, he doesn't speak dog, he speaks English. If I want Scooby Doo to say something else, I'd have to override this method. So one option would be to create a new class. Again, this is me not using anonymous classes. You'll see their usefulness in just a moment. Let's create a new Java class. Let's create a talking dog class. I know it's kind of a weird example. So our talking dog class will extend the dog class, and then we'll override the speak method. Override void speak. Then we'll output the following. Scooby Doo says, what's he usually say, Ruh Roh or something? Ruh Roh. I think that's how you spell it. But you get the idea. Going back to our main Java file, I can create a talking dog object. Talking dog equals new talking dog. That's a lot to type. And then I can have my talking dog use its speak method. Our dog goes woof, and Scooby Doo, our talking dog, says Ruh Roh, like uh-oh. It is a lot of work to create a whole new class just for one unique object. Our talking dog of Scooby Doo is the exception. So rather than creating an entirely new class just for this one object, just for Scooby Doo, our talking dog, let's instead create an anonymous class. We'll take our talking dog class and delete it. Instead of creating a talking dog object, let's create another dog object, but it's going to have some unique features that set it apart from other dogs, such as the ability to speak English. Let's rename dog as dog1. We'll create another dog named dog2 equals new dog. Add a set of parentheses. Now, to create an anonymous class, you're going to add a set of curly braces. Then make sure there's that semicolon at the end. Within the set of curly braces, you can define any unique features or override any methods. Dog2 is going to be different from all other dogs with its speak method. So let's override that method. At override void speak, and then we'll say Scooby Doo says Ruh Roh. Dog1 is going to speak, and dog2. The dog goes woof. Scooby Doo says Ruh Roh. So instead of creating an entirely new class just for one dog, Scooby Doo, we can create a normal dog and just override one of the methods using an anonymous class. So those are anonymous classes. It's a class that doesn't have a name, and it cannot be reused. If you need to reuse a class, you're better off just creating a new class. It allows you to add custom behavior without having to create a new class, which is what we did with the speak method. Anonymous classes are often used with TimerTask, which we'll talk about in the next video, the Runnable interface, and callbacks. So it is an important topic that you need to know, going forward at least. To create an anonymous class, after you construct an object, add a set of curly braces. Within that set of curly braces, you can define new behavior. And well, everybody, those are anonymous classes in Java.